Okay, folks, seismic activity is really increasing in the Caribbean and Cocos Plate region, and really the western subduction zone of the Americas is a big worry. We had a 5.2 in Dominican Republic last night. We've had small earthquakes in Mexico, the United States. In Mexico, they're a little bigger, actually. We're actually seeing some big earthquakes in Chile, Argentina. Really, the western part of the Americas, you need to watch out. We had a couple big quakes in New Zealand last night. One of them was a 5.9, not that one. And Vietnam has seen its first bird flu death in a few years. Scientists are beginning to notice patterns in this repeating La Nina cycle. We'll put this link below, but basically we can look for a wet, cold Pacific Northwest and a dry South. The Chinese are going to start allowing banks to give more debt to the people in an alleged attempt to try to raise them up, but we know debt equals slavery. Folks, this right here is a chart of the debris that is coming back down to Earth caused by our atmosphere, ionosphere, being juiced up, expanded, creating more friction, causing these things to come down. It's all about the increased solar activity. Speaking of which, right here on the center of the sun yesterday, we had a little eruption, and it is going to be geo-effective in a few days. We do have one supposed to hit us tonight, but this one will be much more of a direct hit rather than a glancing blow. Earth's over to the right here. You can see on the stereo that's coming at us. The solar active region 11401 is labeled beta gamma and is putting off some fairly strong flares. As you can see here, it is developed. It's very long. I'd say that there's a good chance this is once again a Zurich class F. If not, it's an E. It's definitely beta gamma, and the way this thing is morphing, especially in the center right there, we could have a delta spot coalesce in a matter of just 3 to 4 hours if the right kind of things happen. So that's what it is, folks. We have a CME that could give us a glancing blow tonight. We have that one we just showed you, supposed to hit us in a few days. And let's keep an eye out for all these magnetic filaments and definitely that large group of active regions on the top left there. Be safe, everyone.